Welcome to House Lux Estate, your go-to channel for all things finance and real estate. We're here to share insights, tips, and strategies that can help you navigate the often daunting world of financial management. Our goal is simple: to empower you with knowledge to make informed decisions about your money. Today, we're delving into a topic that's crucial for anyone looking to transform their financial life: the top financial habits you need to adopt. We'll be discussing habits like budgeting, saving, investing, and regular financial checkups. These aren't just habits, they're tools to help you build a solid financial future. They're stepping stones towards financial freedom and a life of abundance. So, whether you're just starting out on your financial journey or looking to enhance your existing strategies, this video is a must-watch. So, buckle up as we unveil these life-changing financial habits. The first habit we're going to dive into is budgeting. Why is budgeting so important? Well, it's like setting a financial GPS for your money. Without a clear destination, your hard-earned money might just wander off, leaving you wondering where it all went. But with a well-planned budget, you ensure your money is going where it needs to, whether that's paying off debts, covering living expenses, or contributing to your savings and investments. Imagine your money as a team of employees. Without a manager to direct them, they could end up lounging around, wasting time, or worse, going rogue. But a good manager, or in this case, a well-structured budget, will ensure your money is working effectively towards your financial goals. Budgeting is not about depriving yourself of the things you love or living on a shoestring. Instead, it's about understanding your income and expenses and making informed decisions on how to allocate your resources. It's about gaining control over your finances rather than letting your finances control you. Creating a budget might sound daunting, but it's not as complicated as you might think. Start by identifying your income sources and tracking your expenses. You might be surprised to see where your money is going. Once you have a clear picture of your financial landscape, you can start making strategic decisions on how you want to distribute your money. Budgeting also helps you prepare for unexpected expenses. Life is full of surprises, and not all of them are pleasant. A car breakdown, a medical emergency, a sudden job loss, these can all throw a wrench into your financial plans. But with a well-planned budget, you can build an emergency fund to cushion these financial blows. In essence, budgeting is about making your money work for you. It's a powerful tool that can transform your financial life, helping you achieve your financial goals and secure a stable financial future. It's more than just numbers on a spreadsheet. It's a roadmap to financial freedom. Remember, a budget is telling your money where to go instead of wondering where it went. Moving on to our second habit, saving. Now, you may be thinking, isn't saving just setting aside money from my paycheck? Well, there's a bit more to it than that. Saving is an art, a discipline that requires consistency and planning. It's about creating a safety net for yourself and your loved ones, a cushion against life's unexpected setbacks. Let's delve into the significance of saving. It's not just about having money stashed away for a rainy day, though that's certainly part of it. It's about building a financial foundation, a bedrock upon which you can build your dreams. Whether it's buying a home, starting a business, or even taking that dream vacation, having savings gives you the freedom to pursue your goals without the constant worry of financial constraints. But saving isn't just for the big things in life, it's also about having an emergency fund, a financial safety net to fall back on in times of crisis. Imagine, for instance, you lose your job or face a significant unexpected expense. An emergency fund can tide you over in such situations, providing a buffer against financial stress and anxiety. It's like having a financial guardian angel looking over your shoulder. Now let's talk about a concept that's crucial to saving: paying yourself first. It's a simple yet powerful idea. Before you pay your bills, before you spend on groceries or entertainment, set aside a portion of your income for savings. It's a form of self-care, a way to prioritize your future self over your present wants. It's not about depriving yourself, but rather about ensuring that you're financially secure and prepared for whatever comes your way. And remember, saving isn't a one-time thing. It's a habit, a commitment that you make to yourself. It's a pledge to take care of your future, to be financially responsible, and to prioritize your long-term goals over short-term gratification. As the saying goes, do not save what is left after spending, but spend what is left after saving. Our third habit is investing. Imagine this scenario. You have a seed, you could either eat it now or you could plant it and wait for it to grow into a tree full of fruits. Investing works in a similar way. It's about setting aside a portion of your present resources, be it time, money, or effort, with the expectation that it will generate more value in the future. Investing is critical in the journey towards financial freedom because it's the primary way your money works for you. While saving is about preserving your money, investing is about growing it. The money you invest has the potential to generate returns, and these returns can further be reinvested, creating a cycle of wealth accumulation. Now let's talk about one of the most powerful concepts in the world of investing: compound interest. Compound interest is interest on interest. It is the process where the interest you earn on your investment is added back to your original investment, which then earns more interest. This cycle continues, causing your wealth to grow exponentially over time. Picture this. If you invest $1,000 at an annual interest rate of 5% and let it compound for 20 years, you would have more than $2,600 at the end of that period. That's nearly 3 times your initial investment. But remember, investing is not without risks. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a long-term commitment that requires patience, diligence, and a well-thought-out strategy. It's crucial to understand the type of investment you're getting into, its potential returns, and its associated risks. The key is diversification, spreading your investments across different asset classes to minimize risk. This could include a mix of stocks, bonds, real estate, and other investment vehicles. Each of these assets has its own risks and rewards, and by diversifying, you can balance your portfolio to align with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Investing is the process of laying out money now to receive more money in the future. It's not just about making more money, but about securing a better, more financially stable future for yourself and your loved ones. The fourth habit: regular financial checkups. Imagine you're a gardener. Your money is the plant you're nurturing. To ensure it grows healthy and strong, you need to water it, protect it from pests, and prune it when necessary. Likewise, your financial life needs regular attention and care. This is where regular financial checkups come into play. Just like a routine visit to the doctor keeps you on top of your physical health, regular financial checkups are crucial for your financial well-being. They help you keep track of your financial progress, identify areas where you're doing well, and those where you need to improve. They provide a clear picture of where your money is going, how well your investments are performing, and whether you're on track to meet your financial goals. Not only do these checkups allow you to spot opportunities for growth, but they also enable you to prevent potential financial troubles before they escalate. Think of them as your financial smoke detector. They alert you to issues like overspending, high debt levels, or underperforming investments early on, giving you ample time to take corrective action. How often should you do these financial checkups? Well, the frequency may vary depending on your situation. However, it's a good practice to review your finances at least once a quarter. This allows you to stay updated with your financial status and make necessary adjustments to your financial plan. During these checkups, you should review your budget, analyze your spending habits, check your savings and investment progress, review your debt situation, and assess your financial goals. It's also a good time to revisit your insurance policies and retirement plans. In essence, regular financial checkups are like your personal financial report card. They show you where you stand and guide you on what steps to take next. They are a proactive measure to ensure your financial life stays healthy and robust. So make it a habit to conduct regular financial checkups. It might seem tedious at first, but once you get the hang of it, it becomes second nature. And remember, the key to financial success lies not just in earning and saving money, but also in managing it effectively. Remember, what gets measured gets managed. So there you have it, the top financial habits that will transform your life. We've journeyed through the essential avenues of financial success, beginning with budgeting, the roadmap of your financial journey. It's the practice that gives you control over your money, rather than letting your money control you. Next, we delved into the world of saving, the safety net for your financial high-wire act. It's the cushion that softens unexpected blows and allows you to take calculated risks. Then, we navigated the exciting but intricate waters of investing, the engine that propels your wealth forward. This habit helps your money work for you, generating additional income over time. Lastly, we highlighted the importance of regular financial checkups, the pulse check of your financial health. It's the habit that helps you stay on track, adjust your course when necessary, and reach your financial goals. Thank you for tuning in to House Lux Estate. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful videos.